Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Data Analysis with Dr. Veronica. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking by. If this is the first time to come to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up in this video so that anyone who is searching about contents that is similar to this video will see this content very quickly. In this video, we would look at the TOCOL and the TOROW functions in Microsoft Excel. We will look at the meaning of these functions, how they work. Of course, we will use examples as always, and we will see how to nest the TOROW and the TOCOL functions with the sort and unique functions to get even better functionalities in Microsoft Excel. I have some African countries by region. This is not all the countries that we have in Africa. This is just some of the countries. We can see that the African countries that is being considered in this example are separated according to the regions. But in this example, we want to rearrange these countries into one column, not in the different columns like have been arranged already for us. So we use the TOCOL function to achieve this. And the TOCOL function returns the array as one column. You open the bracket, select the entire array of data that you want to rearrange into one column, you close the bracket and you press the enter button. This is what I have. Another thing that we can see is we can see Nigeria appearing in West Africa and also Southern Africa. How do we make sure that we have Nigeria showing up only once? Because in these rearranged data, we can see Nigeria showing up here in cell F3 and also in cell F20. So for us to ensure that a value appears only once, we will nest the TOCOL function in the unique function. This is the work of the unique function. And I will just close this bracket and press the enter button on my keyboard, and we can see that Nigeria appears just once. And let us say that we were asked to rearrange this data in alphabetical order. How we can do this is to use the sort function. So we nest everything that we have done in the sort function, and I put the comma separator. I put another comma separator because I want to rearrange in ascending order. I put 1 and I close the bracket. And this is what I have. We can see all the countries arranged in alphabetical order, done very easily. The next example that we are looking at is the TOROW function. It works exactly like the TOCOL function, but in this time, it rearranges all the array of data into one row. The TOCOL arranges the array of data into one column. And you just need to press the equal to sign on your keyboard and type TOROW. You open the bracket, you select the entire range of data that you want to rearrange into one row, and you close the bracket. If you loved what you just saw, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Data Analysis with Dr. Veronica. Also do well to share this content with your colleagues and your friends and inform them about my YouTube channel. See you in another amazing video.